Looking for the perfect home in one of the hottest areas in Orlando? Welcome to Lake Nona, where innovation meets luxury. And today I have an incredible opportunity that you won't want to miss. This uniquely large townhome is just a little bit over 2,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms,
and it's priced just under $440,000.
Thank you so much for joining us on this special tour, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that you can be notified of our latest listings.